Hello and welcome to Agile FDD framework session. In this session, we will understand what is feature driven development framework. This framework was developed in 1997 by Jeff B. Luca, and this is a very lightweight framework in which initially you have to come up with an overall model and then you will have to follow these steps. That means you will have to form a feature list of your product and you have to plan by feature, design by feature, and build by feature. So basically, this is the reason this framework is known as feature driven development. For example, if you have to construct a banking application using this framework, then you may have in your feature list, you may have cash deposit, cash withdrawal, term deposit, and other functionalities of the banking application. And how you are going to develop that application: first you will be working on cash deposit, and then you will be working on cash withdrawal, then you will be working on terms deposit, and so on. So basically you will be concentrating on feature by feature. And why feature by feature? Because when you will be delivering a feature in a release to your customer that is really going to add value, he will be able to use that product or that particular functionality, that feature which you have provided, he will be able to use that completely. So this is also one of the proven approach, proven framework which has been popular in the industry, and it has really delivered efficient results in the software development. So that is why this framework is also a very popular and mostly used framework, and this was developed in software industry only, and this is used in software industry only because we have to construct our products feature by feature. Or even if there are if you have to construct a lot of functionality in your product, then ultimately how you are going to do that? You have to break down that functionality into multiple features so as to make it more manageable, and you will work towards developing one feature at a time, and you will be releasing a feature in each of the release to your customer, and that is how you are going to add value. Yeah, so this is all about feature driven development framework. We'll meet in the next video. Until then, bye.